This here is the AMG GT two-door, the 63 SE Performance. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You instantly feel the power of this. It's loud, it's fast, it's super emotional. 3, 2, 1. Wow! And here we are now in the home of driving performance, inside the all-new AMG GT63 SE Performance, the first hybrid GT two-door. This car is absolutely cool and we will be driving it today. I mean, we are talking about 0 to 100 in 2.8 seconds. The numbers are crazy. 816 horsepower. Wow, top speed of 320 kph. Impressive. So we get a 612 horsepower coming from the 4-liter V8 biturbo AMG engine, and then we have the electric drive unit giving us another 204 horsepower, making this an 816 horsepower beast. Let me show you the car from the outside. So first things first, we are here at the AMG headquarters in Affalterbach. We have the car standing right in front of us. This here is the AMG GT two-door, the 63 SE Performance. If you want to watch the full walk around of this car, check the info box above. We are talking about Patagonia red exterior paint. We're talking about golden wheels. We have the carbon fiber exterior package. We have the night package 1, and we also have the aero package on this one. As you can already see by the rear spoiler, the car looks absolutely fantastic. The spec is a 10 out of 10. It actually reminds me a lot of Ferrari models with the red and the golden details. Makes this car even more sportier. That's the rear of the car. It looks pretty fantastic, in addition with the rear spoiler here, which is also finished in carbon fiber, as we have the carbon fiber exterior package. And since we have a 63 SE Performance here, you can actually charge the car from right over here. There you go, AC charger, but you actually don't need that. What you normally would do is you drive the car on the autobahn and then you fill it up while driving. It just recuperates and fills up the battery for you. This here is finished in Patagonia red, and on the left hand side we even have a car here finished in, what was the name again? I think it's Big Sur orange something, Magno. It's an orange Magno finish with the black wheels. So which one do you prefer? Do you prefer this one here or the Patagonia red with the aero package? You can see we have the additional rear spoiler here. With this one we don't have that. So let's get on and let's start the drive with the all new GT63 SE Performance. Jumping right inside and let's start the drive. So let me just put the seatbelts on. Here we go. The coolest thing about this, to be honest, is that as soon as you start the car, let me just start the ignition first. 1 second. Here we go. We have the steering wheel buttons coming alive. We can just switch it up to Sport Plus, Race. But let's get on and start with comfort. So as soon as we do that, the car is ready to drive, and that's it. So now you put the car into drive and you start rolling. It's so cool. I mean, honestly speaking, that's not something you expect from a GT two-door. This car is a super sports car. To be honest, it's an icon in terms of AMG product portfolio. But the main thing with this one here, it's not an electric EV to get you a lot of range and to get from A to B in full electric driving mode. This one gives you a lot of electric power, and in addition with the V8 peak performance. It's actually F1 inspired technology now for the streets. And yeah, just rolling around. You can do 13 kilometers of electric range with this one, but I don't mind. I mean, if you don't want to disturb your neighbors, it's actually a cool thing to do. But we will be switching it up to sport to hear the engine. Before we do that, let me just appreciate this gorgeous S63 E-Performance, also hybrid, finished in emerald green. Amazing car, love it. 3, 2, 1, let's get on and switch on the engine. So you start up in sport, and then as soon as you go to Sport Plus, you have the exhaust even on. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You instantly feel the power of this. And we're leaving here. That on the right hand side is actually where most of the people take delivery of their AMG 1 There's actually two AMG ones inside right now. Okay, we're starting now. 816 horsepower, guys, is a lot. So we are on the road now. The sound is amazing. What? I love the sound. Downshift. Whoa! Honestly speaking, guys, just first impressions, okay? First things first. The sound is so much better than the GT 4-door hybrid. To be honest, when I drove the GT 4-door hybrid for the first time ever, the GT63 SE Performance, I was totally disappointed by the sound. This one, however, the GT63 SE Performance 2-door, the sound is absolutely fire. Oh! It's fast! It's so fast! Wow! It's loud, it's fast, it's super emotional. I honestly didn't expect that. I thought it's so much more, I thought it's way heavier than it drives. It drives so good. Also rear axle steering here, extremely direct with the steering. The brakes are fantastic. We have carbon ceramic brakes on this one here. Oh, the power output is unbelievable. How it pushes you in the seat is... The sound is so good. Downshift again. Wow! I like it so much. Okay, the street is completely empty. Let's do a race start. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Wow! Whoa! Like a rocket! Oh, I honestly didn't expect it to be so much fun. AMG did an amazing job. I mean, you still feel the weight of the battery in the rear, but the weight distribution is perfect, 50-50 almost. Whoa, 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 whoa.